Hello. In this video, I'll show to you how to integrate SendinBlue with GrooveFunnels without using Zapier. We are using only HTML. Let's start. I have already signed in my SendinBlue account and GrooveFunnels account. We start from the SendinBlue account. Before you can create any opt-in forms here, you need to have at least one list. List is a place where all those opt-in emails go to. And we need that information in our opt-in form. So if you don't already have, you have to first add a new list and give it a name. I already have some lists in my test account, so I can use them. Next we go to the forms. Click it. We need to create a new subscription form. Click it. We give it a name. I skip this. Click next. Okay. Now we start designing our opt-in form. Default template for the opt-in form in SendinBlue look like this, and we are not happy with this, so we start building and changing it. First we add attribute here over the email, drop it there. We don't want to send any SMS, so we change this to first name. We want to collect first name and emails here. We leave these as they are, but we start editing this opt-in form. We want to have as clean, as simple as possible opt-in form for our HTML code. So we delete some things here, like this, and also this. We cannot delete this, so we erase it. I select it and delete it. And when I click somewhere outside the form, that red asterisk disappears. And same here. Delete and click. Now we have something more like it. There's still some extra text here we don't want, and we also want to change these placeholder texts, this and this. We will do it editing HTML. So we are happy with this, so we go and click next. And then I have to select the list I want to use. And this time I want to use GrooveFunnels list and collect my emails there. I click next. And then there is some settings to do. It's asking if we want double confirmation email, but I don't want to use that. I go here and select no confirmation email. And I also select confirmation page after submitting the form. And I want to redirect opt-in page to our affiliate link. Paste it here. This time I want to redirect to my GrooveFunnels landing page. So I paste my affiliate link here and click next. Then there is some default messages. You can leave them as they are. Just click Next. Now our form HTML is ready. And we have to share it. We do it by selecting HTML here, because we want to have as much of information as we can have, so we have more options to edit it. So select HTML. Now you can copy your HTML code simply by clicking this field, and I press here Ctrl+C to copy, and I go under here and click Done. Now we are ready here. Next we have to go to GrooveFunnels. Okay, here we are in GrooveFunnels. Now we start building our opt-in page using SendinBlue HTML code. Let's start it. First I want to create new site. I click here and I click blank template. First we need to have some blocks. We go here and select one, and I select call to action, and this one I drag it here and drop it. Then I want to have footer. I select one and drop it here. Let's move it. Under here. Like that. And next, I want to have some elements. Click here. And I select 2 columns. I drop it here. In this container, I want to embed our HTML code. In this container, I want to add image or video. For sake of making this video more simple, I choose this time an image. So I scroll down here. And from media, I select image here. And I scroll down more. Select code embed and drop it here. Okay, we can delete this, confirm. So now we have template for our opt-in page, what we can edit later. Now I just click save, and then I go to embed your code here, click that, and click that cogwheel here, and I click one more time to the black field so that this cursor starts blinking. Now we have to insert our HTML code. I go and get it. I go to SendinBlue, click the code, Ctrl+C to copy, and I go back to GrooveFunnels and Ctrl+V to paste it here. Now it's here. Please notice that it's better you to edit this HTML code now before saving it. In my document there was row numbers. First row number is 47. I scroll down, go to 47, and I change this to white color. It's 6 F's, F, 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 Okay. And the next row is number 71. We go there. One moment. And next row number is 73. We find here border color and change it to white too. So 6 times F. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the next one, we want to change our first name. Here it's on the row 82. You find this placeholder and click there. I go to my document and copy it. Here, enter your first name here. Copy. And I go back to GrooveFunnels and paste it here. Then we want to remove this text on row 89. Customize your optional help text. We select it and press delete. And the next one, we want to change this email on row 100. I go back to my document and select here, enter your email address here and copy it. And I go back to GrooveFunnels and paste it. And the next we want to delete this on row 107. Provide your email address. I select the whole text and delete it. Next I go to row 114 to change this background color, button background color. I go to my document again and copy this. I go back to GrooveFunnels and paste the orange color here. And the final one we need to change is our subscribe button text. I go back to my document again and I copy this, copy, and back to GrooveFunnels and paste it. Now we are done editing the HTML code. Now we can save it. I go here and save. Okay, so you can see some changes have happened here. I may review the page now. I go here, click this icon. New tab is opened and you can see your opt-in form here. And it's already functioning. But we are not done here. We close this tab. Now you can save the page again. Save. It's saved. And then you can publish it. At this time you can do it using Groove Pages subdomain. Just click here and choose the name for the page. I enter here test2 and published. And it says it's published. It can take some minutes to be live. To test if it's live, you can click this link. I will do the right mouse click and open in a new tab. And click the tab open. And it's already live. Now what you have to do is finish editing your opt-in page. I will pause the video and show you how it looks. I will be back soon. Okay, welcome back. I've done some editing and now my opt-in page look like this. Have a look. Remember to add your legal pages to your footer. Please remember download my document. There's a link how to auto-generate these legal pages. So now I will publish this. I press publish. And then I click this hosting link. And here is my opt-in page in live, how it looks. And to test how it's working, I enter my name here and email address. And press yes, I want it. And it's automatically redirecting my affiliate link like it should. Very nice. Now we have to check that our email is in our SendinBlue list. Let's check it here. Lists and GrooveFunnels, and here it is. It's working perfectly. I wish you happy opt-in page building. See you in the next video. Thank you.